Hey guys, what's up? It's Noitives here. So today we're going to unbox this smartwatch from Hoover. And again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so to be notified every time I have a new video uploaded on my channel. Let's get started. So there you go guys, so again I have here, I'm so excited to do some unboxing this smartwatch from Hoover. And again, this is about $299 plus tax again. And one thing I like on this one here because it's 5 years warranty, okay? So if there's something wrong, you can call in and say I need something for replacement, okay? So again, I'm gonna do a unbox this. So excited. So I just ordered this one here online, and I just got this one today. So we'll see. Okie dokes. So again, what's in the box? There's some, what is this? They have, of course, the manual. So what's in here? And in the box, what's in the box? So in the box, we have here a carpet cleaner, a solution tank, a spot chaser, the handle, the accessories hose, the dirty water tank, and a clean water tank, okay? So, and again, they have some solution. They have a antibacterial, a pet tools, and there's a bag or something. So again, so this is it. So you can use this one as on your upholstery or stairs. You can use this one. It's a nice one. It's really good. Let's put it on the side, and again it says that it comes with 2 solutions. So there's a solution in it that you can try on, and then if it's run out, that's the time you're gonna buy it somewhere. So we have this 25% off solution. This is the water tank. So we have 2 water tank. Put it somewhere here. And nice, beautiful, very clean, as you can see. So here's the bag, plus the hose that you can use for upholstery. So just take this one out and so you can see. So it comes with this, and again you can attach this hose to the machine and then attach it to the to this one here. There you go, and then you can wash it. Okay, nice. I just put it one here, and there's one more. There's another one here that we can use it. So a brush that you can use it. But for the meantime, I just put it here inside. I'm gonna put it back because I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna use it, just in case I need to use it. But Hoover, Hoover, Hoover. So this is the handle, and again, it comes with his own solution tank, and again, it's a battery operated. Pull this one out, and again, you just press here and do the thing for the spot cleaning, or if if you want to. But again, just put it here and then you will see the click. It's like a gun. So basically this is your handle of your machine. So I'm gonna take this one out. And that's about it. And again, we're gonna pull this one out. There you go. Whoa. So we have to take the plastic out and okie dokie. So all you have to do is to put this water tank here. That one. And put this handle over here. Yeah, that's about it. So you have the cord, and I think the cord is enough already to going around if you like to, but yeah, it's really good one. Yeah. And another thing here is this vacuum, they have 2 brushes. So they have brush here and another one, and then you can take this one out for cleaning, and then after that put it back again, your brush, if you're done washing, so at least it's not gonna be stink or whatever. And yeah, I think it's a very nice one. Again, for the price of $300, guys, it's already okay. And again, the regular price for this vacuum, it's $600. It's like $599.99. So I got it for 50% off. And again, we're gonna try this one later. So again, guys, if you have any question, just comment below. And again, if you're not yet subscribing my channel, please do subscribe. And you can also share this video to your any social media platform. Okay, so again, thank you so much for watching. This is Noy Tips. God bless and have a wonderful day.